Hi everyone, and welcome back to Flutophone Lesson 2. In Lesson 1, we learned these things: holding the flutophone with the left hand on the top and the right hand on the bottom. We learned that the thumb of your left hand gets placed over this hole in the back of the flutophone, and then the first finger goes down, and we have our first note, which is a B. Now when you blow in the flutophone, you just blow easily. If you blow too hard, you'll get squeaky sounds, and you don't want to do that. Obviously, the next note, finger down, we're making the tube longer, so we're lowering the pitch. If thumb and 1 is B, thumb 1, 2 is A, thumb 1, 2, 3 is even lower, which is a G, like this. Now, we talked in our lesson about articulation of each note, and what you end up doing is taking your tongue and stopping the sound from going through the flutophone like this. Tu, tu, tu. Like a ta, ta, ta. Your tongue actually goes up and stops the sound. And I did that all on a B. We also learned one other note, which is lift your first finger, and that is a C. So we actually now know 4 notes: C, B, A, and G. That means absolutely nothing unless we know what they look like on our music. So I'm going to turn in our music to, it says lesson 3 at the top. These were handed out or sent to you. It is actually part of our lesson 2. That is an incorrect writing. This is lesson 2. This first note is a C. It's a space note, third space from the bottom. C, B, A, G, A, B, C, B, A, G, A, B, C. Now, here's how this can help us with sight singing. For example, if I start out with my first note, which is a C, I can sing it and check whether my interval or distance between C and B is correct if I'm going to sing it. Ba, ba. Let me check. Oh, wow, I sight sang that and it was correct. How about this? Ba, ba, ba. Well, let's check it on the flutophone. Sorry, you couldn't see that. Good. Now the last note, the G. Ba, 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 ba. Let's check it on the flutophone. My goodness, we just sight sang that correctly. All right, so if you go to the bottom of this page, you'll see Mary Had a Little Lamb, reading B, A, G, A, B, B, B. And this little mark right here, this means breath mark. We should start using that in our choral music too. Every time you want to take a breath, put a comma. That's a breath mark. A, B, B, B. And I know there's another little note there, but we didn't learn that one yet, so we're going to play the B. B, B, B. B, A, G, A, B, B, B. A, B, A, G. Good. Now let's see whether we can finger it. The first thing you should do looking at a new piece of music is read it first, read the letters, and finger. Okay, here we go. I'm going to have to put the paper down, but you're going to finger it. B, A, G, A, B, B, B. A, B, B, B. B, A, G, A, B, B, B. A, A, B, A, G. Now we all know what that song sounds like, but let's make it sound correct when we play it on the flutophone. I'm going to add one more thing because I saw a few people in our session where we met together where they were holding the flutophone out like a trumpet like this. Okay, no, this should go more like a clarinet being held down. In fact, the pitch changes. Listen to the pitch when it's held straight out. It lowers when you lower it down, pointing to the ground the way it's supposed to be. Okay, let's try Mary Had a Little Lamb. 1, 2, ready, play. All right, that is excellent. Keep going on Mary Had a Little Lamb. The next time we meet, we're going to teach you all of the remaining notes that go down on the flutophone. Thanks for watching. Have some fun. Don't get stressed out. Just enjoy the fact that you can do this. Bye.